A constitutional crisis began in Samoa on the 22nd of May 2021 when the Olor Malo Tumel Alifano Waeleta Swalawi issued a proclamation purporting to prevent the Legislative Assembly of Samoa from meeting in the wake of the April 2021 Samoan general election. The election of the 9th of April 2021 resulted in a 25-25 tie between the ruling Human Rights Protection Party of Prime Minister Tulaipa Iono Shalele Maliali Goi and the Fatuatuar Iler Atua Samoa Ua Tersi of Fiame Naomi Mataafa, with the remaining seat was held by the independent Tula Iosefo Bonifacio. On the 20th of April 2021, the Samoan Electoral Commission declared the HRPP's Aliaimale Manu Alofa Tuau elected due to the requirement that a minimum of 10% of seats in parliament must be held by women, with Tuau being the female candidate who most narrowly missed being elected. The next day Bonifacio announced he would join fast, creating a 26-26 deadlock. On the evening of the 4th of May, the Olor Malo purported to dissolve parliament and ordered new elections for the 21st of May. A writ for the new election was issued on the 5th of May 2021. Both the purported dissolution and the decision to appoint Tuau were challenged in court. And on the 17th of May the Supreme Court of Samoa overturned both decisions, declaring them unconstitutional and void. The court upheld the election results and ordered Parliament to meet within 45 days of the original poll. On the 21st of May, the Court of Appeal of Samoa declined to stay the Supreme Court's ruling over Tuau's appointment, confirming FAST's parliamentary majority. Immediately after the ruling, the Olor Malo issued a proclamation convening the opening of the new parliament on the 24th of May. That same day, an attempt by the Attorney General to have the writ overturned was rejected by the Supreme Court. In doing so, the court ruled that the ruling of the Supreme Court represents the law in Samoa, and it should be followed. Failure to abide by the law has its own consequences. On the evening of the 22nd of May 2021, the Olor Malo suspended the proclamation until further notice, and did not elaborate on the reasons behind the suspension, but that the said reasons will be known in due course. FAST leader Fiame Naomi Mataafa denounced the suspension as a coup, and announced plans to challenge it in court. On the 23rd of May the Supreme Court met in chambers to hear a motion to overturn the suspension. That afternoon, they ruled the decision was unlawful and that the proclamation convening Parliament for the 24th of May continued to stand. Prime Minister Maliali Goi responded by saying that the court order was illegal, that the judges had breached state of emergency regulations and ought to be charged, and that he and members of the HRPP would refuse to be sworn in when Parliament convened. Later that evening, Speaker of the House Lopepe Tolifofafisi purported to cancel the swearing-in ceremony, in contravention of the court's order.